everyone, it's me, Maisley, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's episode, I will be introducing to you the use of this, that, and those in a sentence properly and correctly. But before that, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell for you to get updated whenever I upload a new videos. Most of the students aren't aware on how to use this, that, and those in a sentence properly and correctly. There are times that we knew how to use it, but most of the time we got confused, especially when we are creating conversation with someone. And that confusion may lead to misunderstanding between the speaker and the listener. Moving on, today I will be discussing the use of this, that, and those in a sentence properly, when they are usually used and what are their functions in a sentence. So, don't skip any part of this video. Stay tuned, everyone. Welcome back, everyone. Today we will be having our English lesson with me. First, we have our lesson for today is all about demonstrative. When we talk about demonstrative, it is used to identify how near or far an object or object relative to the speaker. Meaning, kapag meron tayong demonstrative, usually ang ginagamit niya is to identify the location or the distance of an object between the speaker and the listener. The clue word here is identifying how near or far an object, and of course, the word relative to the speaker. Gumagamit tayo ng iba't ibang demonstrative para ma-identify natin yung location and distance ng isang object sa speaker and listener. Moving on, we have different demonstrative. First, we have this. Kapag sinabi natin this, we are near to the speaker, meaning malapit lamang tayo sa speaker. And usually, kapag sinabing this na this, it is singular, meaning isa lamang siya. As you have seen here, yung word na this, ito yung titingnan nyo yung word na I, meaning isa lang, ako. Kapag this, meaning singular siya, isa lang siya. Here is our example. This is my bag. Meaning, yung this, ito ang ating demonstrative, this. Ang ating verb here is. Bakit is ang ginamit natin? Kasi, ang ating object dito ay bag. Meaning, isa lamang yung bag. This is my bag. And as you have seen, bakit hindi this yung ginamit natin? Kasi nga, singular ang ating verb, singular din ang ating object. And malapit lamang sa atin yung object na yon. Kaya ang gagamitin natin ay this, this. Okay? Next naman, we have this. these. Mas mahaba ito compare sa this. Ang pinagkaiba lang nito, ito ay plural. Pero parehas lang sila na malapit sa speaker. I have here an example. These are my bags. Bakit these ang ginamit natin? Kasi ang ating verb here is are, which is plural, and our object here is bags. Ibig sabihin, maraming bags. Maraming bag kaya siya naging this yung ginamit natin. These are my bags. Meaning, malapit lang sa speaker yung bag, pero plural form siya kasi marami yung bags na tinutukoy. Okay? Another demonstrative is that. Kapag naman sinabi natin that, it is far from the speaker. Have you seen the difference between this? Pag this, plural, singular. Kapag naman sinabing this, plural. Kapag naman sinabi natin that, singular din siya, pero siya ay malayo sa speaker. I have here an example. That is my bag. From my given example, that is my bag. Meaning, tinuturo ng speaker yung bag. Ibig sabihin, malayo sa kanya. There is a distance. Bakit ang ginamit natin ay that? Bakit hindi this? Kasi, we are looking for the location. And our verb here is which is singular, and our object here is bag, which is also a singular. That is my bag. Okay, ano naman ang ang plural form ng that? Ang plural form ng that ay those. They are both far from the speaker pero plural siya. I have here an example. Those are my bags. Ibig sabihin, ang kanyang ginamit na verb here is are, which is plural, and bags ang kanyang object kasi maraming bags. Ibig sabihin, tinutukoy ng speaker na those are my bags. Mas malapit siya sa listener. Always remember the relationship between the speaker and the listener. Okay? For you to better understand, I have here a illustration. First, we have this. Ito yung this natin. And as you have seen, there is a child. Ito yung pinakang speaker. And this is yung object. Ang ginamit natin dito is, this is my bag. Our demonstrative is this kasi malapit lang sa speaker. Our verb is, and our object is bag. This is my bag. Sa illustration, madali nyong ma-identify yung difference niya. Ito, singular tong this. Itong this na to ay singular. Ito namang isa, that naman to. Ang pinagkaiba naman niya ay pag that, malayo sa speaker. As you have seen, ito yung image, ito yung speaker, at ito yung object. Meaning, yung speaker ay malayo sa object. That's why he used the demonstrative that. Okay? That is my bag. Meaning, tinuturo ng speaker na yung bag niya is nasa malayo. Gumamit tayo ng that kasi ito ay singular. Our verb here is, and our object here is also singular, which is bag. Okay, another. We have this. This. Kung makikita natin sa image, our speaker is malapit lang siya dun sa object. Kaya gumamit tayo ng demonstrative na this, and our verb here is are, which is also a plural form of is. And our object is bags. Okay? Ibig sabihin, malapit lang sa speaker. Always remember that. Another is those. In those, as you have seen, the speaker is far from the object. Those are my bags. Those ang ginamit kapag far ka sa isang object. And here is those din ang gagamitin mo kapag plural ang verb and object. Okay? Okay, I have prepared here a worksheet. I will give you 3 minutes to answer this if you have already understand what I have discussed. Okay? I'll give you 3 minutes to answer this. Then after you answer this worksheet, we will going to discuss it one by one. Okay, hands up. Let's proceed on answering our worksheet. Okay, first, let's hang blank picture on that wall. Our answer here is this. Bakit this ang ating naging sagot? Let's hang blank picture on that wall. Let's have our clue. On that wall. Meaning, yung speaker ay tinuturo, he is pointing out the location kung saan ba isasabit yung picture. Meaning, hawak na niya yung picture. That's why we use our demonstrative this. Bakit hindi yung this na THES ang ginamit natin? Kasi ang ating object ay picture, which is a singular. Okay? For number 2, I don't know if blank oranges are sweet. Our answer is those. Why we use those? Bakit hindi this ang ginamit natin or that? First, let's identify our object. Our object here is oranges, meaning it is a plural form. Anong demonstrative ang gagamitin natin kapag plural form? It's either this na THES and those. Meaning, we only have two choices, this and those. Ngayon, if na-identify na natin what kind of, anong form siya, punta naman tayo sa clue words niya. From our sentence, I don't know, meaning, hindi pa alam nung speaker. That's why we are using our demonstrative those. I don't know if those oranges are sweet, meaning the speaker don't have any clue kung matamis ba talaga yung orange na yun. That's why, gumamit tayo ng demonstrative na those kasi malayo pa siya sa speaker. Okay? For our number 3, can you pass blank papers around? Our answer here is these. THESE. Bakit this na THSE ang ginamit natin? Kasi our object here is papers. Ano ang papers? It is singular, plural. Ngayon, bakit? Ibig sabihin, we only have two choice again, those and this. Let's have our sentence. Can you pass these papers around? Meaning, nasa speaker na yung papers, hawak na niya, malapit na sa kanya yung papers. That's why we use our demonstrative this. Okay? Ibig sabihin, nasa speaker na yung mga papel na pinapapasa sa loob ng classroom. That's how. Okay? Moving on for our number 4. Blank place is taken already. What is our answer? Our answer is this, THIS. We use this kasi our sentence is, this place is taken already, meaning the speaker is, nandun na siya talaga sa location. Bakit hindi this? Ang ating object here is place. Ito yung parang pinakang noun natin. Ibig sabihin, singular siya and taken already. Ibig sabihin, malapit talaga yung speaker dun sa object natin, which is place. Next is, the blank train over there is old. Our answer here is that. Why we use that? Kasi our object here is train, which is a singular form. Ang ating choice na lang ay this and that, kaya ang ating gagamitin ay that kasi over there, ibig sabihin malayo sa speaker yung train. He is describing the train that is old, that is far away from the speaker. Okay? I hope everyone got the correct answer. If not, you can review our discussion earlier. Okay? That's all for today. Thank you for joining for today's class. See you again for our next video.